Electric cars are being considered as the future of personal and commercial transportation. Over the past 5 years, electric cars have gained immense traction. Tesla now owns almost 79% of electric car market in the US and is growing rapidly across Europe and Asia. On the other hand, many traditional automakers have a massive pipeline of electric car models, and companies like Volvo have committed to a 100% electric car lineup by 2030. So it is safe to say that in a few years, your next car could be electric. So this week we look at the technology behind electric cars and compare them with the petrol and diesel cars of today. And as always, do hit that like button to show your support for the channel. The main difference between an electric motor and a combustion engine is the way it generates power. An internal combustion engine used in petrol and diesel cars transforms the thermal energy of burning an air-fuel mixture into mechanical energy by moving the crankshaft, which makes the car move. This process is efficient but is harder to maintain and has devastating impacts on the environment. An electric car uses the eco-friendly alternative of using direct current or DC to generate power. Electricity, broadly speaking, is of two types: alternating current and direct current. Most modern batteries, the one in your car, phone or laptop, are powered by direct current. On the other hand, all the power in your home sockets is alternating current. So every battery power device that you have consists of a small inverter that converts your home AC current into the battery-friendly DC current. The exact same principle applies to electric cars. The batteries are charged by a specialized DC charger, also called a fast charger, or through converting AC charge into DC. A DC charger is much faster and can fully charge a typical electric car in a couple of hours, while it might take more than 8 hours to charge an electric car from your home AC socket. Once your car is ready to go, the charge from these car batteries goes into an induction motor. A magnetic field is created through the charge, which turns an electric motor attached to each wheel, thereby moving the car forward. These batteries are typically laid on the floor of a car, surrounded by coolant to avoid overheating. Higher the charge of a battery, the bigger is its size and weight, which also dictates the range of an electric car. That's why it is common to see different prices and ranges for an electric car depending on the battery size you opt for. Maintaining these battery packs is also easier compared to your regular car, as any faulty battery can be easily replaced. These are also much more durable and resistant to weather, and of course, much more friendly to the environment. It is because of these benefits that not just personal cars but commercial vehicles like trucks are also slowly moving towards electrification. Governments around the world are providing subsidies to car manufacturers and car buyers to encourage their use. With more charging stations popping up everywhere, surely we will see more electric cars on the road. And when you see one on the road, you would know how it all works. If you did enjoy watching this video, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.